Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we go over the agent's perspective when sending listings to their clients in OneHome. We'll talk about the options that are available for managing OneHome and keeping up with your client's portal activity. When you send a listing from Matrix, the recipient receives a link to view that listing in OneHome. You're able to send listings one at a time as you find them, or you can create an auto email to give clients access to OneHome. To do this, after you've filled in your search criteria, select Auto Email from the action bar. Select the recipient contact and settings, then save the auto email. Based on the schedule you set, your clients will receive regular updates when listings that fit their criteria become available. Once an auto email has been created, it will be listed on the auto email page of Matrix. This page also displays the auto email status and the last time the contact has visited OneHome. Clicking the down arrow next to the auto email drops a menu that lets you review the settings, criteria, and the current results that fit your client's search. To view the results in OneHome as your client sees them, click Open in OneHome. From here, you can also delete auto emails to permanently remove that contact's search or disable them to temporarily stop the search from sending results. It is recommended that you disable auto emails before deleting them. Anyone that you send listings will be able to view them in OneHome, but adding someone to your contacts will allow them to create an account in OneHome, which then allows them to interact with the listings they view. To manage your clients and their interactions in OneHome, you will need to use the contacts page of Matrix. Here, you can see the last time your contact visited OneHome, any notes they've left on a listing, and listings they have added to their favorites or discarded. If your contact wants to receive text messages about their listings, you'll be able to email them the opt-in link by clicking Send Request under Opt-in Communications. Additionally, if you want multiple clients to be able to interact in OneHome from one auto email, you'll need to add them as an email address under one client. If you only CC them on the auto email, they will not be able to leave notes, mark favorites, etc. This is how you add additional email addresses to a contact card. When a contact interacts with a listing in OneHome, you can be notified in Matrix. To set these notifications, go to the Portal Notifications section of Settings. Here, you can choose to receive notifications when your client visits the portal, favorites a listing, discards a listing, or saves their own search in the portal. These can be sent by email or text as soon as your contact takes action in the portal, or you can decide to receive a daily summary of OneHome activity. If you would like to receive text message notifications, be sure to enter your cell phone information in the text notification settings section. If you'd like to edit the way your information is displayed in OneHome, you'll use the My Information section of settings. Under the OneHome tab, you can upload a custom photo, add a team name, and include links to social media accounts for your clients to follow. Fill out the Profile Content section to display a message to users that view your agent profile. You can also add a video here if it's hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. To see how this displays in OneHome, go back to the Open OneHome link on the auto email page. Click your agent icon in the bottom right corner, then click View Agent Profile. Do you have a question that wasn't covered in this tutorial? Submit a ticket to MLS support via email or contact us by phone, and we can answer any questions you may have.